Hello guys, and welcome to episode number 5 of our Discord bot tutorials. Today we're going to be going into depth about the embedded messages and how we can use them to display data to our members or our staff members. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to start out laying out what the embed looks like. So first off, you're going to do let embed equal new message embed, parentheses. What that does is that calls up here, and the two parentheses opens basically the message embed function, and so you can put stuff in it. Okay, so now let's see if we can do so. Well, first off, we'll start out with set color. Okay, we're going to set color to, let's say, a hex. Let's do a 0099FF. I think that's a good one. That's fine. That's a blue. So then we're going to do a set title, testing out embed messages. Okay, we're going to do a set URL. We're going to do https google.com. We're going to do a set author, testing out embed messages. Then we're going to do bot.user.display avatar URL. So some of these, so you'll notice how I can put a comma after just on the set author. That means I can put an image there. So I'm just putting the bot's image basically. So the URL you can't, the title you can't, and color you can't put an image. But we'll continue to go. We're going to do a set description. This is a long body of text that's not able to be, I guess, maneuvered. So we're going to do, this is a Brady bots development tutorial on how to make and use embedded messages using discord.js v12 and node v12. Okay, that's our description. Further from that, we're going to do let's do add fields. So we're going to go ahead and enter. So now I'll do space name. So the name of this field is going to be called test1. Okay. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to have a value inside of here. Let's just do Brady 1 2 3 4. All right. Then we're going to do, sorry, it's not here. I don't know why this is not wanting to cooperate with me. Apologies. Name. We're going to do test2. By the way, put a comma at the end of here. Test2 value. We're going to do backslash U200B. Okay. Space, comma. We're going to give it another go around. Name. This is all these are types that you guys can do. So name, we're going to do test3. Value. Brady bots development, comma, inline, true, comma. We're going to copy that line. Okay. Excuse me. I can put this in there, right? So there we go. Let's see here. And we can do a we'll name this test4. I'm trying to figure out what to put. We'll put Oblivion bot is awesome. And we'll make that true as well. And by the way, on these two right here, you can put these to true as well. Not this one there. But you can put this to true or false. False means the inline function will be turned off, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. So we're going to continue down our line. You can do an add field if you just want to have one. That's no problem. You can just go in here, add field. This is a test for a single add field. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And we'll put that to false. No comment after that. So set image. What we're going to do is bot.user.display avatar URL. Ooh, crap. There we go. Put that in there. Set timestamp. So this is a cool function that displays the date at the bottom in the footer. So you can also set your footer. So we'll just do Brady bots development 2020. And then I can put another image bot.user.display URL, avatar URL. Okay, and there is also, okay, I already covered that one. Okay, we're good. All right, so now we're going to go over here and we're going to do message.channel.send embed. Okay, this is going to send all of what we just did. So let's go test it out. All right, guys, we're going to go and start back, and we're going to do period. Sorry, it's going to be test embed. Oh, we're back. All right, we're going to go ahead and test out our test embeds command. So test embeds. So here's what we got. I'll show you. So this right here is your title. Here's your author, excuse me. This is your set author. All right, set author, and that image is right there that we put the comma beside. So if I go back in here to the test embeds, and I go over here and I see the comma bot.user.display avatar URL with the 2 parentheses, which makes it a function, or which returns it to string. Yeah, we come back over here. That's what that picture is. So that's the bot's logo, not logo, but display or URL, image URL. This is the title, the set title that we have right here, displaying our embed messages, and that URL. There's that HTTPS google.com. So, and that opens up Google on my second monitor. And then we have, this is our description. That's the set description. This is the add fields. This is the first blank. Test 2, this is the blank, and that's the blank. That's the blank field. Excuse me. Test 3, that's our inline, first inline embed. This is the second inline. So you know how it's different? Look here. Okay. See how these are right here? These are side by side. The inline will put this one over here next to it. So you can have up to 3, depending on the amount of content. This right here is the single add field, not add fields. This is just the add field. This right here is your set image. Then you have your footer. That's your timestamp. This is the footer URL, the bot.user.display avatar URL in the footer. And we also could add in a thumbnail. So let me go ahead and add that in really quickly. So set thumbnail. We'll do bot.user.display avatar URL. Alright, we'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back over here. Let's see, let's run the command again. We're going to do test embed. There's your thumbnail. That's the image beside the title and header and the author. So notice set author you cannot set a URL to. Set title is the only one you can set a URL to. So that, just note that feature. Other than that, this is the basic embed, and there's that color. That blue line right there is the color we set with the .set color, and we put a hex. If you've got WebStorm, you could do like dark blue. You can just type out dark_blue. If you do, you can also do for colors. I'll show you here. Instead of doing hexes, you can actually do like red, and it'll be red. You can do like blue, and it'll be blue. You can do green, and it'll be green. Like you can do words as well. They have to be all caps. Other than that, this is the basic embed. Like, this is exactly how you would do things. Add information into them. Now, let's say you want to like put information in there and stuff like that. I'll have another tutorial come out with advanced embeds that's collecting data and then putting it into the embeds after the data is already collected, which we're going to be talking about later on. But for this episode, we're going to end it here, and I do thank you guys for staying tuned, and I hope this helps you with your Discord.js bot tutorial experience. We'll see you on the next one.